Here's a quick demonstration on removing the fuel door on a Cayenne 958. There's just one screw to remove by the actuator. And once that screw is removed and your gas cap has been removed, the entire assembly is just clipped in. And so using a wrench, there's a tab to be able to grab onto. Just a standard pair of pliers can be used to grab the small piece of plastic that's sticking up. So the left side you're holding with the pliers, the right side you hold with the fuel door, and you can leverage and kind of twist out the entire assembly. It'll pop out. Plastic tools can be used also to help a little bit, but really you just need to pull and wiggle as you're pulling, and the entire thing will come out, held by the rubber surround of the fuel filler neck, and the little drain tube will stay attached. So the entire thing will come out once the door gets shut, and the entire assembly can be withdrawn, pulling out the slack on the drain plug or the drain tube that's at the bottom. The reinstallation process couldn't be easier. It's just a matter of threading the tube back in to its little opening and sliding in the entire fuel door with the door shut initially. And once it's in part way, then the door is open so that you can actually manipulate the rubber surround to pop it over the fuel filler neck itself. Then from there, it's just a matter of pressing the whole fuel assembly back into position so it's popped into place, and then the final step is getting the screw installed. Make sure the little drain hole is pushed into place, and then the gas cap gets installed, and that's all there is to it. Stay tuned for more fixes, solutions, and adventures as we enjoy the Porsche Cayenne in our 958 garage.